but I can't let you go. Already got one. Oh, no one living home. Mami, look good for YouTube. See my crew over your song. Nice, nice, nice. Watch ya. Yeah, girl. But I know the boutiques and shops you run through. Money time, people, money time. Always get a daily paid weekly ring. Plus, you ain't too shy to do the freaky things. You ain't gotta put a man on your finger. Hoping about you telling the whole world I'm your man while I'm sprinkling. But you was something I denied, something I was slide to do something. I'm in the live over YouTube, guys. Something you provide. It's the entree, ain't as good without something on the side, you know. Can't leave you alone, but I can't let you go. No. I might be leaving the earth soon. My girl gon' kill me if she smells still like your perfume. It's gonna be a clip talk if I go back. I'm a fiesta. Your lips gloss on my throwback. She won't care if I'm a platinum rapper. If she catch me with an empty magnum rapper. So keep it on the down low, call the car, selling you soon. What happened with Mr. Big and all? You know I can't forget. They wanna feel with you. Whoa. Already got one. Oh, this is no noise. But I can't let you. Already got one. But like this. I'm feeling like shake it. Morning. I'm feeling like shake it. What's up, man? By YouTube? Wait, I'm a fake hair, fake nails, fake guys too. Why you found fake guys too? Morning, everybody. Me there over YouTube. Me there over YouTube. Oh, me I see. Oh, me I see. Oh. I mean, this time that's it. If you want to be Christian, take me there. It's a curse, then I scream. I hate it. Introduce you to the station. Why am I up the sun that don't mess up? Morning, everybody. Morning. Good afternoon from the UK. Well, it's morning for you guys. So that's a morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We wake up in a good mood. Today is money day. Yes. We don't have no USD news today. Thank Jesus. Yes, we do, but they're yellow folders. We're going to check that very, very soon. It's now 2 p.m. in the UK. Welcome to half of what left of London session into New York session. We're about to make some money. Let's see. Okay. Right. So we're about to make some money. We just call up some Vix peers. You understand? Now we're off to the futures. So welcome to everybody. Feel free to like up the likes, send some XP. I don't know what the XP is, but you understand? Show me look a bit big over TikTok, over YouTube, but about TikTok. Show me look a bit big over YouTube, yes or no. You understand? Them give me XP and them something here, and we can have moderators and the whole works over this side. You understand? Yes. So for those who are on my TikTok, come over to YouTube. You won't be able to see my screen over here, so none at all. So come over to my YouTube. My YouTube name is Kimberly London. Put up this something in the backdrop. So that is my YouTube there. So yes, and I can go over YouTube there. So that's where we're gonna be. That's where we're gonna start streaming over that side of the world. You understand? Yeah. Me on TikTok now take tea over here, so then piss me off. Piss me off big time.
Even before we hit the bedroom, I was friends with you a little late at times. Let's stay home and I'm trying to my sleep, thinking of a late on home. Was that been true? That I had home, the sense is true. My son was right, they get me for a room and I'm in the boat. Maybe my sense of humor gets me you, but girl, the perfume from the center of you. I want to take you in feel like you're on and get some suit. So what you think about them phones and I'll book a song, you give me the rock of the day. I try to go to bloom, these are students feel like any other. With a spoon to the 22. I want to see me and my juniors identical. It's all good and warm on the skin of you. I swear that everything that same at the beginning.
Right, so we are going all the little vibes in the meantime, guys.
Come and take a walk with me so I can take you places you don't often do. Come on, ma, come and get lost with me. As far as the mother just can't get them wrong for me. Everlasting, love in a whole nother fashion. All I'm asking, every passion. Cause I care for the passion. All of the smart job fashion, orderly fashion, perhaps when. Figure out exactly what to do now. If we can take this whole city out. Now who gonna stop us? Who gonna knock us? Stop us? We can't find coppers to lock us. Legs at choppers. You love helicopters. Through the week from the to heart. Keep I got shots. I rock with the big. I'm smart, you know. But yeah, then everything rated on. Street things on. And then I have it on the page. Really good, so it on. You can pick up the maybe on. So we can migrate it on. And then I have you on my maybe. Baby, come let's say it on. I want to give this all up. So I want your mind right. Right, what you want, huh? Take it some back. Yeah. Come on. Yo, this new come snow on the move with the season. A couple winter lodges, few summer homes. I'm coming for every new humming home. I'm just doing a new humming bronze. The shoes coming chrome. I ain't doing buying yellow and cucumber stones. Let's make shit to a woman bones. But life is gruesome alone. Even though I got the kind of bread that won't matter if a few crumbs are blown. Lights out, slow some alone. I don't know we could pay David too. Get a new number soon. I know you on my phone. Just to erase all the negative views from your dome. And I promise this fella's G. It's so they're calm on the fellas seeing drama. You telling Uncle Mama, can you let me? So I can put the top down and we can cruise like Tom and Shiny be my songs. They're funny. The name Shiny Street moving on, and having all the freedom. Baby girl, not straight to the home. You didn't look like good. So quickly, you know, anything that have you on my face. Baby girl, not straight to the home. Right now, and everything. You didn't give up the street dream. Yeah, anything that have you on my face. Yeah, baby girl, not straight to the home. You didn't give up the good dream. You know, so quickly, you know, anything that have you on my face. Baby girl, not straight to the home. Happiness. Diddy. Set the tone. Rock on and rock on. Bad boy. Yeah. Rock on, rock on. Rock on, rock on. Turn it on, baby. Stop playing. I like it. Stop. Come on. What's your problem? All happy playing on this shit should starve you. What's that with haters looks? Used to support you. I thought you'd appreciate some of the things that I bought you. Shoes from Alone, Louis Vuitton. Animals on back and shoes in your arm. Mommy is nothing to make moves with a dawn. Loading the big fish, leaving fools in the farm. I'm not what you want. Just you only sure. I just make you feel all I can say. Nothing else you can I see you again. I was better now. My friend said I was in my life and you as a perfect friend. Now no one I'm raising up. All I can tell you, and the freeway, see you again. See you again. Don't you down like you crazy, you know that you look at me, baby, I'm in the sky. Well, we have we are, but you have. It's been so long since I heard your voice last time. To be honest, you make me smile when I think number. Baby, tell me what I should really say, baby, you're afraid. Maybe someday you'll bring my love. You say, no, it's too late. Now all I can say right. Skywalker, 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 Skywalker. I'm still Johnny Cold Love. No telling where I go, I know where I came from. Not be fooled by the box that I have. I'm still Johnny to the box. Yo, we go for blast this year. Went from a low to a lot this year. Everybody mad at the rocks that I wear, man.
I know where I'm going and I know where I'm from. You hear lights in the air.
Yeah, we at the airport out. Deep blocks from the blocks where everybody get forced out.
With a new white tee, you fresh. It's not on with us. Make money, get the games, bring them homies with us.
I'm still speaking the block. Say, but you don't know I have a lot. I know where I came from. Don't be fooled by the box that I got. I'm still speaking the block. You don't know I have a lot. I know where I came from. From color movie scripts to all the six to J to this headline tips. Stay grounded as in my throat, and I'm real. I'm really don't know what really that's just me. Nothing for me, don't hate on me. What you get is what you see. All the cool that I got. I'm still trying from the top. I don't know what happened last. No matter I go, I know where I came from. Don't be fooled by the box that I got. I'm still trying from the top. I don't know what happened last. No matter I go, I know where I came from. Watch out, never.
Stay low, low, low. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What you get is what you see. I'm still shooting from the back. Every little know I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. Won't be fooled by the marks that I've had. I'm still shooting from the back. Every little know I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. Earth like this, I'm in this business. I've grown up so much. In control of loving it. Rumors got me laughing here of my life and my public. Put God first and forget they real. To me, it's like breathing.
I'm still Jenny from the block. Know where I came from.
I'm still Jenny from the block.
They call work the gas checks, so don't be fooled by the rocks that I got that assets. Get back what you put out. Then if you take the good route, I'm the road out. After a while, you don't know who you live with. You see, be real with the ones you can't even with.
Best thing to do is stay low. Thoughts and J-Lo's don't act like they don't, but they know. Yeah.
I'm still Jenny from the block.
Little now I have a lot.
Know where I came from.
I'm still Jenny from the block. Little now I have a lot. So I know where I came from. Fooled by the box that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Little now I have a lot. So I know where I came from. Fooled by the box that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Little now I have a lot. So I know where I came from.
What? What?
Morning, everybody. Morning.
Hey, your girl was looking at me. She's a haggler, no, I'm tagging up. One of the boys that come over and start asking you, what you wanna do? What you trying to do? What you wanna do? And all my beats say what? That the man. With his manager Chris and the lady with the dance, they don't flossing. So when you're right, they bird granny man stole your wife. They go pity and style.
Good afternoon.
Track with the baby, deep, yeah, the car looking good, bright dress. More than thick, then I'm thinking around yet. Not all done down loud and flared. Send straight any and grab your bed. See I'm rapping down. And my mommy's I got them down. Sometimes they feet, they not stepping out. The right label, but I don't like. I'm like, I can't let you on in your hand. I make hits at the white boy club, while I'm the photo. They like, hey now, you're an all-star. They go, boy, I came to party. Your girl was looking at me. She's a haggler, no, I'm not tagging up. You want the boys that come over and start asking you, what you wanna do? What you trying to do?
Morning.
What you trying to do? He got the fun. They'll lie, and they wet. Balls only on they feed down, they wipe it on. And they come, rough like that. But like that. I feel it's so everybody goes. They only go. Six champagne and then for them. Playing Gabby Cool. Me too. I treat like fast, fall, low speed. I'm trying to sell more records than free. Been a hustler. Way before Mel was plenty. Don't need them friends to be doing. Give me everything and see me.
Right.
Boy, I came to party. No girl was looking at me. She's a haggler, no, I'm not shagging her. Want to come over and start? Yeah. What you wanna do? What you trying to do? What you wanna do? What you trying to do?
Pass by 50K funding account. Okay, nice. Congratulations. Guys, can we get some congratulations in the chat? Nice, nice, nice. Can we get some congratulations in the chat for Pauline? That's nice, nice, nice.
Cut it up back to back. Here we go.
Come on, come on. Right.
Touch me, tease me. Check it out. You with no lanes of what you saying, yo.
So you're on your live account now. So all you have to do, same thing that you used to do on your 50K evaluation, you do the same thing on the 50K live account. Take your own little time. One trade, one trade. You understand? Until you get enough money on there. So your target on the 50K account, I believe, is 3K, but you can make more than the 3K on the account. You're allowed to make unlimited money on there. Yeah, son. So see there, guys, at the strategy. She used that strategy. She used see the bad strategy here. The strategy she used, guys. Yeah, son. That's why I'm say everybody's supposed to learn how to use it. So when you learn how to use it, when you have to really sit down and depend on me until or sit down and wait until when I come on the session for when getting at the trades them. If you have this strategy, it tell you when to buy or it tell you when to sell. So let's say, for example, like this morning, me did tired this morning, guys, and that's just the truth. Me is a human being, me tired. When I never drop a sleep after me say me I come off and go on my bed, me never drop a sleep straight away, me there. Me did I watch TV and watch Vikings of all Vikings over here. So all time movie for 1960. Yeah, brother. So me did that. I mean, not even know when me drop asleep this morning, but 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So alarm go off, I mean, not even did hear it. Me did there with Jesus up at heaven. So we are reasonable some things. Yeah, son? Nice. So for example, like for this morning, you never see me company session, and for those who did have the strategy and you know how to use it, all you had to do, right? So for example purposes, that big find a trade. Let's come on here so I use. The market never really moved that much this morning, you know. I'm gonna try to see if I can find one pair. Right, let me try so I can use this for example. Right. Let's say for example you did come on this morning and you came onto the trading view chart where you have the strategy and you never see nothing setting up, right? Right here, so where you see, I'm on the 50 minutes, I'm gonna drop down to the 5 minutes, because me and the 5 minutes, the alerts go by. So let's say right here, so you come on this morning on the chart, you see ES call out a buy, right? ES call out a buy right here, so you have the green candle, you have the 2 EMAs green, down in this area, you have green volume. Now, on the 5-minute time frame, because the red box is right here, you would have to wait until you get a break and close before you enter this market. You understand? All you have to do was wait until you get a second candle, and the second candle is always your confirmation candle for you to enter the market. And all you have to do on ES or MES was enter on the second candle right here. So for the market push up 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes worth of buy, you secure your profit or run. How do you know when to get out of the trade? When you see the red box pop up, when you see the red arrow pop up, or when you see the EMA change color to red, from green to red, and that's it. You understand? So if you don't know, if you have the strategy on your trading view and not using it, I did drop a video in the chat for everybody watch and learn how to use the strategy. You understand? Everybody's supposed to have a little idea of how it works. If you do not know it works, then all you have to do is say, Kim, can you go over this? Obviously, I'm not going to go over the teaching while I do the trading. You understand? When I'm entering each trade, what I will do is explain why am I getting into the trade or all the strategy I set up for getting into the trade. Yeah, son. Now you can use the 1 minute or you can use the 5 minutes. It's up to you guys. When I'm using the strategy, we use the 1 minute. Now I have the 15 seconds time frame on my chart because I have the premium trading view, right? Because once anybody have strategy and trading view, then they're allowed to get the premium strategy. So the 15 seconds is not for everybody, right? Now, most of the trades that I do call out, I do call them out from the 15 seconds time frame sometime. Or most time I will use the 1 minute time frame. So here's a perfect example. So right here, it says to get in a buy on ES. You see the buy right here, so? The buy did I saw the solid green candle is right here. The two EMAs are green. And then down in this section, you have green volume. Though if we did see this earlier, we could not get into this on the 1 minute time frame. Right? So because it's already gone and it's about to go to push up to this red box, I will then wait for a break and close above the red box before I enter. You understand? And that's how you use the strategy, guys. It's not hard at all. All you have to do is literally, well, I'm gonna pop these over here so some don't miss out if anybody accompany live, right, on the Zoom. So all you have to do is literally sit down and wait until the strategy set up, right? What I'm gonna do after the call, because we have a little time around here. So what I'm gonna do after the call is do a training on for everybody that does have the strategy. I'm gonna show you how the strategy work from the T to the M. Yeah, son. Then you guys can either get a demo account and use it to practice with, or yes, and you can use the smaller PSM and use it to practice going into some trades and use it to practice getting into some trade. So they get used to the platform and used to the strategy. So that's what I'm going to be doing. All right. So MES, we're waiting for a buy. All right. Let me see what I'm going to run this now. NQ. All right, NQ is not ready yet. I'm waiting for a break and close above this area. All right, that is that. Right. Anybody still in MGC from when I decided to get in? Delete this. Anybody still in MGC? Yes, yes, yes. Right. So we're still waiting. If you're not in, morning. If you're not in, then we're waiting back for a break and close right here. Don't enter yet. So I'm going to explain how this works. Let me record this so we can drop it in our chat after. Right. So we're coming up right here on MGC. So when I did call out the buy, we did get a break and close above here, right? Above the red box when I did call it out in the group, right? Now that we had a little pull back down, because remember it's New York session, we did have a little bit of pull down right here, come back or retest. Now it's pushing back up. You understand? Now, for me to get back into this trade, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. For me to get back into the trade, I'm going to need this to break and close above this red box right here. If you were in already, stay in. If you're not in yet, I'm teaching you guys how to use a strategy. So just in case I'm not about, me dey on holiday, me enjoy myself on the beach or somewhere, you guys can use the strategy on your own. All right? So what I'm waiting for is for a break and close above the red box. You understand? before we can get in. So I can put the alert over here. So once we get the break and close above, then we can enter the buy. Morning. Right. Moving on to the next trade. For this trade, this is MNQ. It call out a buy from down here. So if you had saw this, for those who do have the strategy, if you had saw this from earlier, you could have entered this trade from down here. All you had to do, right, if you don't listen and watch carefully, the buy pop up, right? We have a solid green candle right here. The two EMAs are green and the volume bar is green. All you have to do is just like a stoplight. Watch out. It's just like a stoplight. All you have to do is literally line up the colors and enter the trade. Now, if there's a green box below, then you're above the support. Yes, and if it's coming up to a red box like what it's doing right here, then you have to wait for the break and close above the red box. What do I mean by a break and close? You need a solid green candle to be above the red box pushing up. Everybody with me so far? So if you're getting in for a buy, these pairs are mainly looking for buys, no sell. These pairs I'm only looking for buys because they're in an uptrend. When we go up on the higher time frame, they're in an uptrend, so I'm only looking for buys. Now, before you get into the trade, you have to make sure that you're out of this box right here. Right? Let me get my little scribble here. So you see this? This is consolidation. So you need to get out, you need it to get out of this box. If you want to wait until they get out of the box, if you're looking for a buy, you wait for the break and close above the red box right here, which is your resistance. So the red box is called your resistance, the green box is called your support. All right? Now, we're coming back up to the red box. For me to enter this trade, if you tell you to enter, we're going to wait for a break and close above the red box. Once we get the break and close, then we're looking to enter for a buy. Yes, Anna? So I like to put lines there, so because I know a lot of people are, yes, are visual learners like myself. I'm a visual learner. That's how I can catch on to things quick. So if we get the break and close above this box in the next 1 minute, then we can enter the buy. If I do not get a break and close above, we do not do what, guys? Let me see if you know listen. If we do not get the break and close above the red box, we do not enter Kenisha. Kenisha is getting it nice. So if you're looking for a buy and you're waiting for the break and close above the red box, you're not getting it for the buy. If you're looking for a sell and you do not get the break and close below the green box, you do not get in for the sell. Easy 1, 2, 3. Shake that about and run up and down your so. That's it. You understand? So, if you have the strategy, if you need help using it, I can do one-to-one with the strategy. You understand? And then we can sit down and you guys learn how to use the strategy. What I could do before the market close off this week, I could get everybody to open an MT5 and use it and practice using the strategy. Open an MT5, get a demo account and use it. Right. MNQ or NQ for the buy, guys. MNQ or NQ for the buy. What I can do is get everybody to open a demo account on MT5 and use it and practice with. So you guys can get an understanding of how the strategy works. Right, everybody in? NQ or MNQ for the buy, guys. And that's all you have to do. So you see what we did on the 1 minute? We waited for the break and close above the red box. So this was the moving candle. You never enter on a moving candle. This was our first candle, and this candle is now our break and close candle, which is our confirmation candle. The second candle is called a confirmation candle, guys. All right, this is recorded, so I will drop it in the chat after. Actually, I'll drop it in the classroom after. Yes, and then I'll get you guys to register over the classroom. All right, once you enter the trade, right, bear in mind, guys, the market is volatile at this time. you understand, you are going to get a little bit of pullback here and there, right? Everybody's supposed to remember the rules from yesterday. Let me say this, let me say it again. Hold on, I will say it in a little bit. So everybody in, guys? Everybody in the trade? NQ or MNQ for the buy? Remember, you're supposed to get into the market ASAP. ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. Do not wait 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, and 20 minutes. Right? When I call out the trades, you guys don't have to worry about you guys don't have to worry about the time frame. Make me worry about the time frame. All you guys have to worry about is when to press buy or sell. That's it. All right? Now, here's the next thing. When you guys see profit, take it and run. You better on a secure profit, little. Yes, and ask if you can re-enter back the trades, guys. Rather than you sitting down and make the market shoot up to Jesus and come back down to hell. You understand? So let's say, for example, you're in the trade when we just call out just now, and the trader push up, go all the way up to Jesus, and the trade decides to, you understand, for come back down. All you have to do is literally secure profit along the way. We're in a volatile market at the moment because New York session is volatile. You understand? We can't control the market. We can only come on here, come do an analysis, make money if we have make money. If we have a loss, we wait until the market set up back again, then we get in. You understand? If you're just coming on, we're in a NQ for the buy. So, and next thing as well, right? Get into NQ for the buy first. All right. So let me explain something around here. Right? Let me pull up back Alpha Futures around here. Because I could go back over this because I want to say it on the recorded video. Right. For those persons, let me start off with the zero plan first. For those persons who do have a zero plan account, which is the 50K account, right? Which means that you need to make $3,000 on the account. Your maximum drawdown is $2,000, right? Your daily loss guard is $1,000. If at any time you're trading, right? If you're just starting out on the account, or if you've been trading on it for a while, if at any time you're trading on it and you're at a loss of $500, close out at 500. I did not say to the 1,000. If you're at a loss out of the 2,000 or 500, then make sure you close out at the 5. For those, I do not promote the standard account because I same thing as a zero, right? It's either the zero or the alpha. I'm not promote the zero plan either, but I know everybody can afford the advanced account, right? If you're on the advanced plan, if you have a 50K account on the advanced plan, your maximum drawdown is a 1,750. Right? For those people who are in my group and you're on my TikTok, you need to be on the Zoom. Right? For those persons, right, who have a 50K account, you understand? And you're on your minimum trading days is 2 days or more, which means say you can pass the account. You can make half today. In this case, on the 50K account, you make 2,000 today and 2 tomorrow, and you can pass the account in no time, depending on what you're trading, right? For those of you who are on the 50K account on the advanced plan, you have 1,750 for your maximum drawdown, right? There's no daily loss guard on the advanced plan on any one of them, right? So there's no daily loss guard, so we're not talking about that. We are work with the maximum drawdown. So on this one now, if you want to put it at 500 or if you want to use up the 750, you can. So if you're in a trade and you lose 500, stop it fit right there so. Because you guys are on the advanced plan, you guys can go back and trade later on. You understand? But not those who are on the zero plan. You understand? Yes, those who are on the zero plan can, but you understand, you don't want to risk too much now one day. Better you wait until the next session. For those who are on the advanced plan, you guys can literally, you understand? You guys can literally have a loss like now, and by later on you can get back in to make back up that 500 that you've closed out at. All right? For those persons who are on the 100K account, you have 3,500 to play with. If you want to cap it at the 5 and left 3, and then when we recall up back the trade, you can go back in and make up back the 5 plus more, you can. If you want to put it at 1,000 and left 2,005, you can. It's up to you. You have to measure these things, guys. Right? Boom. For those persons who are on the 150K account, right? Your maximum drawdown is 5,250. All right? If you want to cap it at 5, right, I left the remaining and wait until me recall up back one next trade, re-enter back again, you can do so. Or if you want to cap it at 1,000, you have 4,250 left to play with it in the market. You understand? I do not yes, for those who can afford it, you can get the big account or the big account that we promote. Because with the big account them, you know, if it's still in the market the whole day and the whole week and the whole month for pass the account. You can pass the account in 2 days or more. Right. For those who are on the 50K accounts now, all you guys have to do is take on your time. To be honest, guys, me not get the 50K account. When me get them, yes, me can pass them in no time. Like the other day, me buy one and me pass it in a one day. You understand? But when it come on to the live account, me is a risky trader. So me know so me not stay up on the account there too long. By the time I quit, me blow it. And that's just my honesty. By the time you quit, me blow it. The big account them now, me work with the big account them. Like me have the 150K account for Alpha Futures for the last much month, for February. And that account no blow. Me always make sure say money left back in there when me I withdraw money. Yeah, son? So you guys have to make sure say if you can afford it, get the bigger account and start buy 50K account. It does add up to the 150K account. If you buy 5 small 50K account, it does add up to the 150. If you really look on it. Yeah, son? So each time you go and buy a 50K account, the money add up, you don't realize. It's just like on TikTok. The money does add up each time. When you buy each time, you go back and buy a next 50K account. So if you have the money, spend the money and stop save it in your account. Everybody had dead left money. You understand? Use up the money and sacrifice and buy the 100K or the 150K account. And if you don't follow instructions, guys, you don't now can blow the account them. All you have to do is follow instructions. Work with the same plan with me I work with right here. You understand? If you buy the 100K account, you either risk 500 and left 3, or you risk 1,000 and left the 2,500. If you're in drawdown with that amount, you understand? You close out and say, all right, then we can wait until it's set up back again and we can re-enter back. When you re-enter back now, then you can make back what you lost plus more. You understand? And as so now could do it. Same like what you do on the live, the demo phase is the same thing you're going to be doing on the live account. When you're up on the live account, treat it as a demo now. Right? Treat it as a demo same way. Same rules, same treatment. Different account, same treatment. Your aim, everybody aim on here is to get payout, guys. Yes, and everybody aim is to get payout. So if you live to see the Friday, you can hit the request button, the payout button in the back of this, and then you can get your first payout. If you're on the 50K account, you're supposed to be aiming to make anything from $500 to $600 per day. When the end of the week come now, you can request out $2,000. By the time they take for them 10%, you can get about 1,000 something, 1,003, I believe. On the 50K account, on the zero plan, right? And the advanced plan, 50K account, I believe it go up to 10, if I'm not mistaken. On the 100K and the 150K, it goes up to 15,000 per payout. You understand? And you can make more on it. So that's why I say if you can get the bigger account, get the bigger accounts them. You understand? Now, for Asian session, remember say Asian session, we make one piece of food, but Asian session will come out. London session never, well, me never do London session this morning, but I can see you never really do much this morning. I'll be a consolidation. New York session now, we're going to see what going with it. Yeah, son, like me say, me a try to avoid New York session. But most of you guys not coming onto the earlier sessions them, you understand? So it make it hard for me now when me have to force to do New York session. So when you guys do come on, watch out. When you guys do come on, we just have to come on and take it with a pinch of salt sometime. If we see the market a push down too hard, we close out and then wait until something set up back again. But nobody is supposed to blow them account on these sessions, guys. You understand? Because New York session designed for this. You will there, you start trade and you blow your account in a split second if you don't know what you do. Watch your trades. If you say you're in a $500 loss, you don't need to ask me if you close out. Close out and then we say, all right, guys, this is push down too much. Close it out and we move on. You understand? Money make for make or lose as such trading go. You understand? That's why there's not a lot of people who do trade New York session. New York session is a when we say volatile, not even Vix not volatile, so. Right? Not even Vix not volatile like this. We're analyzing the market. Yes, and yes, we can analyze the market and still wrong. Yes, and me's not a perfect trader around here. I can still analyze the market like what I just did and still wrong. Trump can say, you see, oh, for the last couple of days, you saw Trump move with the market. Yeah, son, see him big old face around here, so. Trump, I have ordered the US Navy to shoot and kill any boat, any boat that is putting mines in the streets. This is a red folder news right here, so. What is a mark is the Strait of Hormuz remains firmly closed. This is 44 minutes ago. Minor news. Trump, Iran is having a very hard time figuring out who their leader is. We have total control over the what? Over their leader. And they have total control over Strait of Hormuz. So you see what I say? Red folder news, orange folder news. I'd be a Trump yes around here, so. Yeah, son? Be a Trump. So we cannot control what the market are doing. May I tell you? Yes, son. No, when we're in the trades, guys, right? If you hear me say, guys, close out because this look like it'll go the opposite way, you close out. If me say, guys, hold on pan it a little bit longer, and this is where the bigger accounts them come in as well. If me say, hold on to it a little bit longer, you hold on to it a little bit longer. For those who are trading the minor pairs, yes, son, the miners such as the MGC, the MNQ, the MES, you guys are good because you not feel the full blown wrath of the market like all the people that we are trading on the NQ and the ES I can feel it. You understand? For those who are on the bigger accounts, right? For those persons who are on the bigger accounts, if you have, me just like to talk about that one done. If you have extra in your account, you're good to go. You can hold on for the trade because you don't have extra money to play with. You understand? So you reach your max limit for the day. So how much was your max limit one done? You never have extra money in your account? You have 1,006 left out of the 6K. Right. Where you say you reach your max limit, is that the max limit on top step? Or you talk about the limit that we were talking about just now? So if you have 1,006, that means say you're allowed to lose a little bit more. How much you have overall? Is it the 1,600 you have overall, or you have more left? Me not talk about the 100,000, you know. Me not talk about for them money. Me not talk about extra money that you have. You have 400 left, right? If you have 400 left, let me see what I'm going. Wait until M and Q set up for the buy. Wait until it push back up me, you know. So with Princess, only one trade alone you can get into. Only one trade. Let me see what gold are going with, because gold push down a little bit. MGC push down. Right, so we're going to wait on this to set up. So if me call out back M and Q, then you can get in for the buy and go and watch it. You understand? So in your case, Princess, you have to go build up back on your account bit by bit, bit by bit. You understand? Fingers crossed it's not blown. Build it back up, because you can't take it back from which part today until it build up back again. Right. First yours is blown, so you have to go get a next account first. All right. Let's see what I go and run it so. All right, so all right, so reach and maintain 6,000. So you have 1,613 left. What are they? Okay, minus the 6,000. Highest 105,000. Lowest 99,000. Best day 2,000. That worst day 5,000. Profit streak 0. Okay. So for one done, you can only do one trade at a time. So for everybody else, right, that's using the smaller pairs, you guys are allowed to enter 2 trades. For those who have a small account. For those persons who have a big account, 1 trade at a time. So if a NQ, a NQ. If a ES, a ES. If a MGC, well, MGC kind of look a bit on the slower side, depending on the broker we use. You understand? MGC can be a little bit slow sometimes. So you can put on the MGC and a NQ. You understand? If me call out MGC, you can put that on a NQ or a ES. You understand? Yes. First, remember the other day when we did call out somebody trades them and you were in profit and you never secured the profit when we did secure profit. You see, if you did build up back your account, because you remember you were below the 100,000. If you had secured some of those profits, you could literally go back up to the 100,000. That means that you would have reached back up to the 3,500. So you see, because you reach into for them money now, yeah, that gone. Once you got enough for the money, I done it done for. Yeah, son. So that's why I tell you, so guys, secure profit one in a seat. Yeah, son. Make sure now pay attention. Right. Get ready, get back ready for MNQ, guys. For anybody that was still in, you're supposed to still be in. Right? Anybody still back? Anybody still in NQ? Anybody still in NQ? It did push down, but that push back up. All right, Kenisha still is. Anybody else? Right. So get ready for re-enter if you're still not in. Guys, when you come on the session now, you have to answer when me talk to in the chat now, guys. Because I not going to know who in and who not in. Yeah, so I understand so some of their work and so on. That's why I say when you're busy, do not trade. All right. You better not come on the evening session and come on the London session in the early morning when you don't know so that they are work. Because when they are work, a distraction. Yeah, so the devil is a distraction. Because sometimes they work and don't want people to be great, you know. Yeah, so they just want enough to work, like with the song where Rihanna did sings a work. True. They don't want to they don't want to make no money on the outside. Oh, all right. So we'll watch this and see what's going on here, guys. Right. This was what I was gonna say this. If you have extra money, let's say for example, guys, you're on the 100K account or you're on the 150K account, right? And let's say you have an extra, let's say your profit target is the 8,000 on the 100K account. And you have an extra 6K or an extra 7K. You only need like 1 more K for pass the account, right? Let's say you're in trade, you're in one trade, you're in NQ or you're in ES. All right? You're allowed to make the money and you can lose back that extra 6K. Me not say if you lose the whole of it, me just say it for example purposes. Let's say you're up in that amount of money, you're allowed to make it and lose it back as long as you're not going into their money. I hope that makes sense to somebody. So, Kenisha, how much are you up by in a profit? How much extra are you up by? Let me use Kenisha for example. Right. So Kenisha is up an extra 3,500 on her 100K account. Forget the 100, forget the big money. Forget this 100K right here. So we're working with this right here, the maximum drawdown. Right? Now let's say Kenisha is up 3,500. Kenisha has extra money to play with. Come on, I want to make this clear for everybody and how this works. Right? Kenisha has an extra 3,500 to play with in the market, which means that she can risk that 3,500 to make more. Or if it's a case where the market is pulling back, right? She is allowed to lose back the 3,500. Yes, son? She's allowed to lose back the 3,500. But the minute she do that, she can start go back into the 3,500 on the 100K account. Yes, son? So now she got in a feed money. She's no longer in her extra money. Yes, son? So the aim is, but yes, I talk on mute on TikTok. So the aim is for Kenisha now to try and see if she can build up on that 3,500 as much as she can to get to the goal of $8,000. So I hope I'm making sense. Everybody understand so far? Right. If you're not in any extra money or extra brata or extra leverage and you're on the raw money, which means that you're into their money, if you're on the 100K account, don't make it past the 500 if you want capital 5, or do not make it past $1,000 in a loss. Close out. If you see that. If you're on the 100K, 150K account, right? If you have an extra, I don't know, let's say you have an extra 10,000 because you need to make 12,000 on this. Let's say you need to make the 12,000 and you're up 11,000. as extra money pan this. Let's say you're in a trade and the trade go bad. You are allowed to lose back the money that you've made, which is the extra money. But not lose all of it, guys. You don't have to use no conscience. Yeah, son? You better not close out some of it in a loss and then wait until the market set up back again. When the market set up, we can go back in. We have 3 tries in the market for get back into a trade. One, if the trader pull down and you close out in a loss, that's 1. If we try again for the second time, that's 2. And the third time, there's a third time is a charm. The third time we can end up enter a trade and we make back everything we lost for the last 2, or for the first 2. Everybody with me so far? So I try to break it down for the new persons that's been in and for the old persons that's been in so they can understand how the funding account works, because not everybody know how them work. Yeah, son, you will have people on TikTok or on Instagram today say, oh, buy one funding account and they not break it down. Like how me break it down, yeah, son? Them don't know how to break it down. Like the song when Mr. Vegas sing break it down, I remember. Yeah, son? I know everybody know if you broke it down. They will tell you if you buy the account name, but they do not know how it works. Right? My first funded account, yeah, son, was a funded account called Top Tier for the forex side. And then after that, I did start trade for funding next. I get payout on funding next before over the forex side, but not over the future side. Because let me say alpha me I stick to. Yeah, son. But for futures over funding next side is a really good look, because remember, for those who are in Jamaica couldn't trade pan the alpha futures because work out the Jamaica the back of bush pan one day. But the funding next work at Jamaica perfectly. You understand? All you guys have to do is take on your time. 1-1-1-1-1-1 trade until uno starts to profit. You understand? You have to talk about entering a trade only once because I enter NQ twice that blow my life account. All right, so see there, Kenisha said we must mention this. I did talk about it actually yesterday. When you guys are entering the trade, make sure you only press the buy button once. Look at me and once. My finger here so. Make sure you guys are only entering the trade one time. Yes, son? Because NQ and ES is fast enough. And only one contract you need pan it. One no more. You understand? One no more time, guys. One no more time. Not 2 times, not 3 times, not 10 times. With the MNQ, yes, you can change your contract size. Yes, and 2 and 2, because you know so those pairs are the slower pairs. Yes, son. But I would say leave them like how it is. Me not want nobody for change no contract. Left it at the 1. Yeah, man, left it at the 1. Right. Get ready for re-enter back NQ or MNQ for the buy, guys, if you're not already in. All right? For those persons who blow them account, you just have to start again, but this time you're starting with a little bit of knowledge. You ever hear them say you have to pay to learn? Look at this as you're paying to learn. And your first time you trade, you understand you're not going to always get everything the first day or the couple days. You understand? Market condition could happen. You understand you could blow account. No. What we're trading on the funded accounts, these are better than you putting in the actual money in your forex broker account. If you guys are trade on MT5, on money done long time for all Monday. If you were to put, if you were to put, let me tell you, if you put $500 in your 500 US in your forex broker account and trade by MT5, one goal can go take out the 500 in a split second. You see the leverage? You see the difference between leverage? Between using your real money and using a broker money. If you did having $500 and you put it in your forex broker, your account blow in a split second. One New York can go session, blow the account a long time. But you can use 419 buy 150K account and get 5,250 for the leverage. On a 100K account, if you did have 279 in your account and a trade by your MT5, it got in a split second too. But you're risking 279 where you put in, yes, and forget a 100K account with a maximum drawdown of 3,500. Now, if you did having 3,500 in your account, probably half of this would have swindled out in a New York session already. Half of it. That the money they gone on the drain. When you could have used that the money they and buy about 3 at the 100K account. You see the difference? If you did have $139, by the time you quit so, and by the time you open your year, that $139 gone. Disappear. Like a magician out of the market by your MT5. A 50K account, right? $79, that I don't know. $119 gone. Gone like some amount. Me know when me at them guys can make the coach way. One time I put on $500 in my KOT broker and put on US 30. So US 30 over here says called YM for the future side. I'm showing you US 30. Put on US 30 for your buying. Over here so. We did the one Zoom call, one the session, and the man tell you for going a US 30 for the buy. Me having $500 in my account. This is when me fear they get into trading indices. People, you say by the time the man tell me for going at the buy, me never know the lot size. I did not know the lot size, and by the time the man going at the, me end up putting on a one lot size. The man say for going at the buy, you see one can go pull back, the account gone. Me had that cuss the broker that say the broker a thief and the broker this and you ever hear people say them when them trade, when them change different broker, you know have nothing to do with the broker. Are we? The man say we must get into US 30 for the buy people. You see when me look, the account empty. Me had that cuss the broker, tell the broker say them a thief. Where the money gone, the money was just in the account. That time I don't know about over KOT. Nothing at all. Right, Mr. Wallace has set up around here, so in the meantime. So MES has set up, guys. We need a break and close. Make up on the 1 minute time frame. Right, we are waiting for a break and close above this area. All right, NQ. Did this play about? We are going to watch it in the meantime. All right, so I did this play about. Oops. MGC. They pull down, it's still there. It take time to push back up. All right, we have to work on a John shop here, so. If we can get this push up a little bit. MCL, there you saw play about, so that not ready yet. All right. So we'll keep an eye out on MGC. MNQ. We'll wait and see if this we can get it back up here. So you see where the market come down here, so guys. Now it's back down to our previous structure, which is your support. So remember, so the green box them is the support, which is the floor, and then the red boxes above is the ceiling or the resistance, right? Support, resistance, support, resistance. So you guys not have to worry about, with this strategy, you don't have to worry about for mark up no chart. It's already done for you. It's a done for you system. You understand? So you don't have to worry and kill off yourself and say, Jesus Christ, me have to learn how to mark up my chart and all. No. Because I know most of you guys do not have the time to do them something there. You understand? I do offer one-to-one if you don't want to learn how to mark up with a naked chart. So most of the time when you come on, at the naked chart me I use. You understand? It's because most of you guys in the chat have the strategy why me turn it on and I show you how to use it. You understand? Right. Get ready for MNQ if you're not in, guys. If you're still in, go on hold on pan it on NQ. All right. So we're coming back up right here. So get ready, guys. I need a nice break and close above here. I'm gonna have to wait until it come all the way back up here so we can enter a little bit early right here. I just need a brand new candle to be right here so before we can enter. We still haven't get the break and close. I need it above that line right there. So when you're learning how to mark up your chart, these are the things you have to learn, guys. You have to learn, yes, son, of what structures to look for, yes, son, where previous structures are coming to retest. Yes, son. So you see like how the market come down here, so come find a support. Let me draw a little box on here, so right here. You see like how the market come down here, so come find a support, a floor. The market is literally ranging up, down, like Charlie Brown and run a town. Yes, I say come down here so multiple times, come retest back this era on MNQ. Right? Then it push up, reject, come down. Push up, reject, come down. Push up, reject, come down. Push up, we are still going, yes or no. Yes, son? So there's certain things that you have to look for, certain patterns that you have to look for before you can enter the market. Just so. Yes, son? Not because you see the can go pushing up, that means it go buy. It can only be pushing up for a period of time and then it retrace back on you. Right? That's why I'm gonna like drop the trades I'm in the chat when it comes on to futures. Forex, that's different. Yeah, son, if you're trading that normal forex pairs like GBP, JPY, and yeah, son, all them normal nonsense pair, they can't make no money off of them. You can't make money in that, but you have to have a funding account where can move the market. When you put on one lot, you can make certain amount of money and come out of the market. With this now, you don't have to change your contract size. One contract is fine enough. Yeah, son? Because with these ones, we're trading indices and commodities over the future side. You understand? Those pairs are the same pairs that's on the forex side. Right? So the NAS, the oil, the US 30, the S&P 500, those are on the forex side of things. We trade them over the future side though, yes, son, which is over the posh side of the world. Aye. Right. So we still are waiting on this to set up. So yeah, we see the candle coming up right here. We have 41 seconds left on this candle, 41 seconds. And then we're looking to get in, people. Then we're looking to get in. Right, for those persons who are on my TikTok, I am currently live on YouTube. My YouTube name is right here. On the cast my finger. See where I say live on YouTube? So my name this up on YouTube. Go over this up. Go over here so. Cause I can't see my screen over here. So my dear TikTok no stop banana my damn page. So me there over YouTube. Go on over YouTube. So you can see my screen. Okay? Bye. All right. So we still haven't got the break and close, so we're still waiting. Right, we're gonna circle you and come back. We see what MGC are going with. All right, MGC. I need a break and close back above this blue line right here. All right, MCL. Now go on with nothing right now. So as both run here, so. MES. Not now go on with it either. We are wait for a break and close back above the blue line right there. So we just sit down and go and wait, guys. It's a waiting game at the moment. Remember yesterday? Waiting game. All right, Mr. Wagwan over Vix side. Right, everybody's supposed to be in a profit run. That's all. Nice. Mr. Wagwan along with this John Shop. All right, still in a profit. Nice. Mr. Wagwan on your so. This one here pull back to Jesus. All right, we circle you later on. All right, so we are going for the meantime. If anybody on my YouTube have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat, guys. All right. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Right. If anybody has any questions in the meantime, feel free to ask in the chat, guys. I do not bite. You can ask questions, all right? We are going to wait until this set up. Patience is the key, guys. Yeah, son. One thing I learned with a marketer, it will humble you, me I tell you the truth. Yeah, son. Patience is the key. A lot of people come over here and trade. Them come over here with the gambling mentality. Me no come over here so with gambling mentality. Me say so market humble me run here, see? Say why? Listen, them it said them market around here so we humble you. You say if you're too hype in a life, yeah man, trading come like real life. It is real life. Trade if you kill it out the road, you can't come over here so with the kill yourself. Yeah, son? Trading, if you never have patience on the outside, you come into trading, it teach you patience in yourself. Yeah, son, right? MNQ for the buy, guys. Trading will teach you patience in this field here. If you feel like you're boss out the door, yeah, man, trading will put you down to employer level. If you did a boss out there, so you're not boss over here, so. This a chart here are the boss for you. Yeah, this a charter, man. Are the boss for you. You want to come over some boss it up? Yeah, man. Hold this. Boop. Account gone. You say, your mother, girl. Yeah. Everybody in, guys. Everybody in. MNQ or NQ for the buy. Yeah, man. This a market within Vix, stocks, futures, forex. Humble you and cause sit down over there, so girl. Where you go? You think so this work? Or sit down. And you say, I'm here read that talk to? Yeah, you. So trading is not for the weak. You understand? Trading is not for the weak. Me tell people this every day. If me never strong over here, so me give it up long time and go back and clean the people and body at work. Yeah, brawling so. Me get up, but me say, the amount of account me blow before me start make money. You don't think say a joke? You have to lose. Guys, me get up one day. Yeah, son? And me make 24,000 in the market. Before that, me lose about 5,000 pounds in the market. So between COVID during 2020 to up to from 2020 of September up to January, February, March, up to March 2021. Me lose 5,000 pounds. Pound we are talking about. Because by the time I look at my bank statement and start add up the money, I say, Jesus Christ. A good thing somebody that have savings. Because I used to work and save my money. I don't run down the brand. I used to work and save. Even up to now, me trade and save. You know, some people, they make the money out of the market and then go braff out the road. Yeah, I don't know what it means to braff. Me not even like drink when I go out the road because I like to me drop down. You hear me I say? So I used to work and save my money. So yes, me have it to lose a bit. And guys, I lose. Me I say, yeah, me not give up this year. And me see how me gonna turn the $50 into one extra $50. Me say, yeah, come here in market and me and you tug it out on this. And so me have to talk to the market. Me say, look here, you know, you can give me back all of my money plus more. And it took, you see the strategy here? See Pauline there and I chat this so she can't tell you no. There was a strategy this gentleman from Texas make called colors. Yeah, son? Pauline been with me from day one. And Eddie, want to see in the chat there. Yeah, son, I don't know if Eddie they are here. Yeah, son? everywhere I go, they go with me because them say, Kim, you help me make money. There was a strategy called colors, just like my strategy where you see on the screen here. So if you don't go up on my YouTube here, for those who are on my YouTube, you can scroll down and you see a long time video called colors. Right? By April 2021, when my dad passed away, guys, that strategy come out the same day as when my dad passed away. Right? And guys, between April to September, I made 20. One day me I tell you about. But me rewind down the line. One day, me get up and do London session. And the London session. Right? Me there Jamaica, me come up, me already build up the account already. So by the time I reach back over here in the September, I already had $5,000 in my account. And the September morning, I can't forget. The September morning, me get up a couple days before my birthday. Me get up the morning and me do London session and me say, guys, go look up buy. The strategy, just like how you see it, so the strategy set up for your buy pan gold. Gold that move sideways the whole week. And the Friday morning, me get up and do London session and the strategy say buy. Yeah, son, the strategy come up with a little triangle and say buy. And we get in for gold. So by then I had enough money in my account. Could I use bigger lot size? Yeah, son. So by then we put on 3 position per gold. One lot on a 5K account. Them time, you know, me not use I wasn't using no thing there. No funded account. And guys, remember me already have the 5 in the account. The day me make 20K out of the market. I just and ball out. 20,000 US dollars me I telling about. Me make in a 1 day. Gold by the whole day. All day. From morning to evening, All the take off just Powell. The Powell did attack for NFP. Or whatever I did I go on. So one of them news that I go on. NFP that I go on. All it took was 1 candle. Me say gold by the whole day. If anybody that trade from back then, they can tell about that day there. September 2021. Gold by the whole day, the whole day, me say me make money, so tell me week. My friend got to work and come back and she see me put it up on my store and she say, I have to work out this year. Me say when you come home, me show you. Me there see her house. She a living testimony around here, so. She can't come to this. So when me come for this, I don't come for cap. Me come for make money. And anybody there around me, I can make money too. I may make 20,000 US in a 1 day. You see that come, I can flip the money them over Vix. I saw me sit down in the market the day. I make 20,000 in a 1 day off a gold. From 3 lot size. 3 separate pairs. We never come out of the market until when the market near for close. I'm a MT5. So I end up making the money when I last before, plus more. And then after that, it was just a little winning streak I go on. Yes, and after that, a winning streak. Me withdraw the money. As soon as we see the money, we take it and run. You see me? Grab and go. But I'm make sure I close it out. You see by the time I close out the trade them, hey, my sister too shows. Me see one candle look like hell did send for it. The devil did send for the candle. Me say I see one candle come little bit before the market close off. Just like you see that candle, watch that candle here so. For the 1 minute time frame. Just before the market close off at 10 o'clock, me see one candle. The devil sent for it. Wipe out the whole of the buy them. Me say, Jesus Christ, a good thing to me take my money around. Me say a good thing so me take my money around to Jesus. The market wipe out completely. Every buyer's gone back to hell. Gone sell sky juice and bag juice down there so with Bulla and Pierre. Yep. That's what I'm telling you. So when you see money, take it around. whether you're on a demo or you're on a live account, take it and run, because this a market and a partial. This a market that we in a profit 1 second, especially the futures here. The market we in a profit 1 second, our VIX market we in a profit 1 second, and the next second the market just switch by you. I saw the market switch by me the day. Yeah, son? It shouldn't take that long for verify. You're supposed to verify the same day. The same day or 2 days. Yeah, son? And I saw me make the money. After that, it was just a winning streak, winning streak, winning streak, winning streak, winning streak. My dad just passed away. Yeah, son? When the strategy just come out, we dep on the go live session, they used to call it go live. And the strategy come out the same day, and I put in $500 in my account. You see, by the end of the week, I turn the 500 into $7,000. And I said, I could give Dax Fields, my mentor. And him say, who did this? You understand? Him say, who did this? I say, on my account. Him say, what? I say, yeah. I say, I make this amount of money using your strategy. Find that the man not stop walk up and tell everybody about me. The whole of the platform, everybody in the company know about Kim. Everybody. Until people from other groups want me to teach them people how to use the strategy. And I walk up and promote colors like it was mine. You have to send them a message, Kim. Kim. They have a customer service. Click on the little box and send them a message. Look like mine blow. Oh, yours to blow, and you did just there 1,600. So you have to message them again because you not bought it, Kim. Any problems want to have with the platforms or with the rise, on have to message or email them, guys. Me can't do nothing about it. It shouldn't take more than if it's giving you a problem, if it's not verified yet, then probably something is missing for your profile. So you need to message them again and again and again and again until they get back to you. Right. Has everybody on here register for the rise? For the rise account? Did it for everybody else go through? Right. So Kim, probably something is missing from yours. Yeah, mine detect the same day if you verify everything. So probably something is wrong with your own. So you need to either go through the form or you need to send them a message again and let them know that you register from Sunday. You understand? And yours still hasn't been verified. You understand? I make them sort it out. Stay on there until you talk to a live person. Yeah, son? Yes, until them sort it out. So like I said, money is out here for me, guys. You just have to discipline. Yeah, son? Discipline play a big road around yourself. The next big money when me lose, right? Year before last, money cause this man. Our mindset. That's why I say when you're trading, you cannot have no form of distraction. You see, in a my little season, yeah, so me no want no man come tell me no nonsense at my ears old, because me run them. Me no want hear it. Cause the devil will come in a ass at a different farm. In a dog, in a cat, in a puss, in a rat. In a man, in a woman, in a she and the old lady. Me no care. So, when you trade, you have to make sure so you cut off all of the negative people them. If a man, husband, wife, girlfriend, you talk to them too. Because if they not add no value to your life, what you talk to them say? Yes, and they might just come distract you. And they might distract you from your trading. You make money. Yes, and worse if them not work or you are work. And them not do nothing now you are do something. Yes, son? You are trade for make the money, so yes, and you can feed your household and then the day and in your years old. Me don't want to hear it. That's why I like my peace. We don't live with nobody. And if a friend a call my phone, oh, you see this on TikTok, oh, you see that on TikTok, me no want to see nothing. Me want to see the chart. Me want to see the chart. Me no want to hear about no mix up. Me no want to hear about no passa. Me no want to hear about over this and over yasso. Tell me how to make some money. Can you tell me how to make some money? No. So we don't need to have no conversation. Me not have no friend. You me cut off everybody. Me I tell you the story from the other day. When I got started with trading 6 years ago, there was so called person when me call my friend at the time, me said to her, I said, come we can learn how to trade. Oh, I don't have the time. Oh, I'm so busy. Send me a picture of this screenshot where you just sent me and one done. Yeah. Oh, I'm so busy. I don't have the time to trade. Me give her the benefit of the doubt. I say, okay. She'll come back, me go back again. You see me? Me tell her, oh, me see. I say, me have a friend. Right now, people who know me is a privilege if you know me right now. Privilege if you know me, has me as a friend. Has me have me as a woman. Cause me a push you off and make some extra money. Me not care what you have going on. You can still make some extra money over here. So making money is not too much. Yeah, son? Me reach out back to her and get her say, you know what I do, Vix? You can come make some money. She said, all right then. She create the account. She go as far as creating the account, put $50 in there, blow the account. She come like the people that want used to join my group. Blow them account and in their feelings. Me not hear from her for what one good couple months. Then me say she pop up back again. Oh, hi, how is it going? I said, very wonderful. Oh, how is it trading? I said, very great. Oh, I need to get back into the trading. I said, okay. Oh, how do I get started again? I say, you have the account? She said, yes. She said, but they say if you update her account, details are just no right on it. She go to Jamaica, and remember forget the paper and come back to England. When we there on her, me turn 158 into $8,000. And I tell her, oh my God, you know when somebody jealous? Oh my God, they're so great. I need to get back up on my trading. So you never know, so you need to get back up to your trading. Women I tell you to get back up to it. Oh. So me said the jealousy start kicking in. Me stop talk to her. Yeah, me easy to cut off people. Yeah, when me cut you off, you're dead to me. Yeah, son. DEE dead, dead. Me dead with man. Me say, here what? Here's a way how you can make some money. Yeah, I put them in a group now. Put them in the group for free. Me say, here's a way how you can make some extra money. Them sit down on TikTok. The coins on TikTok is more beneficial to them than learning how to make some money from the market. Them put in $100 bro the account. They live on TikTok. The first one, he did want me to mind him and send him the money. He never want to learn how to trade. Mr. Watcher, me stop issue out. Me they go click the link that me buy and pay for coming in this for me teach them. You hear me I say? What list? What me say? Worthless is not the name of the game. They want woman sit down and mind them. They want have soft girl era life. They want sit down and make woman look after them. They don't want come out here so come dig it out of the market. They come here dig it out of the market. Must dig it out and carry come give them. One of them say they want 4 tire. One next one it say he want $2 million in their bank account. Me say watch ya what you not saying to me run us up on John shop. I tell me the one who say me I walk up and down and I issue tire and money to people. Me say watch ya. 4 tire. Me look at me trade ya. Guys, we not in a profit yet. My dear. So When me talk, I say when one Jamaican man, they feel upset. It come like the demons in them rile up. You know, like when you watch Charm, the Charm ones, yeah, son, and they fling one portion pan them, pan the man, and they I them that. Nonsense. I them that. Rubbish. Oh yes. So hold on a second there. One dance. So just now, how much you just lost out of the market just now? Cause you were at 1,600. So you lose the 1,600 just now? Cause me I look on it up here so, and it has say your balance, your account balance was at 99,910. Yeah, cause each time you trade over there, what them they move up they move up your max loss. They move up your account balance. Yes, they move up your account balance because you have extra in your account over that side. Yes, that's what they did. Yeah, so you have to go reset it. So if you reset it now, you can catch NQ for the buy. Yeah, that's what they did. They move up your account balance because you add extra in there. So that's what them do it pan top step. Yeah, me just see it. So over here, so yeah. The 1,600 was your lowest because you add extra in there already. I saw them do it over there. Them is a little bit funny, you know. It's not like over alpha. Yeah, over alpha you did over alpha you're allowed to make the money and you're allowed to lose back a portion of it. Not all of it, you know. You're allowed to lose back a portion of it over that side. Over alpha, maybe, you know. And fund the next, me don't know if I saw fund the next year, you know. I think me don't know between Princess and Pauline. Me don't know if they allow you for make the money and lose back some of it or if you can lose back all of it. Cause once you make extra on it, yes, I know so you're allowed to lose back a portion of it. During the day, you can lose back all of it, but once the market reset, you understand the end of the drawdown I could pull up. You understand? I saw them do it on the platform them. Right. Everybody's supposed to be in a profit, guys. Everybody's supposed to be in a profit. Right. NQ push up. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Are we this here, so? All right. So they call it all so many, so. Yes. So I see him doing it alpha. Same thing with top step as well in a one done. Like so for example, if right now if you make one extra 6K right now, you're allowed to lose it back. You understand? Before the market close off. They call it end of day drawdown. You understand? So you're allowed to make it and lose it back in a one day. But you're not allowed to make it and lose back the whole of it the next day, which is when the market resets. Yeah, son, because at the end of the drawdown, I could start pull up. So which means that if your baseline was already at 100K, if you make one extra 100K, sorry, if you make one extra 6K and the market reset for the next day, they might put the account balance, they might put the maximum drawdown on the account balance at 103,000. Yeah, son, which means that you cannot go below the 103,000. I hope that makes sense. Ah, yeah. Big up on yourself. You're glad you not understand me. So you can do everything in a one day, right? But you cannot do anything after the market close and reopen back. So look like me, I swing pan choir, yes. That's how it work. Ooh, I can't bother. So it work, guys. So it work. True. So it work. Me could have become a prime minister, you know. Me could have become a vice president for Trump. Me can't chat, you know? Jesus Christ, that's how I go. It's just information, guys. It's information. Ooh, it's information. Good for your soul. Like me say, a lot of people will tell you to buy these accounts and they don't know if you use them themselves. Trust me. They don't know if you use whatever know if you use say. You see, people don't know if you use not bandits. They just tell you to buy. Like the guy with the dip on in live a chat me. I don't know if you remember. Boy, over there have whole Congress in that have over there with me. I call for my name over there, so. And him over there tell the people them to buy phone account. I don't know if you use it. Ah, boy. Such is life. And everybody have knowledge, trust me. All right, so everybody's supposed to be in a profit, guys. With the NQ. Hi, everybody. Welcome on. Hi, everybody. Right, music time. Everybody's supposed to be in a everybody in a profit, guys. Who is up in profit? How much are you up by?
The 10th floor, I see you turning up, but then so
110, nice. All right. $600, nice. Anybody else? Who's in profit, guys? Who's in profit? Yeah, hold it, yes. Anybody else up in? Oh, the people them there. Look here, people, look here. One up there, wake up. But they look like everybody there work. Me, I wonder if everybody enter the trade. Right. 1,100. All right. Nice. Anybody else? But they look like everybody there work. Right. Go and hold it for now, guys. Go and hold it. All right. All right. Two bad bucket business. Come now. Money time, people. Money time. And now I make no money by yourself.
I don't give a fuck about your faults. I'm this nigga. We from the Bronx, New York. Shit, man. It's black. Let us walk. The niggas in the squad with the strong ass face.
Hey.
Whole world of this is ice. Couple minutes for the charm, nigga. This is life.
Right.
Being them in front of the building, Trinity land. 10 years been legit, they still figure me bad. Acting young with too much to go. Why you think motherfuckers ain't names? Should have been called on Rob. So shit. Oh, baby, grand larceny. I did it all. I put the pieces to the puzzle. That's slow. I knew me and my people was so bubbles. Came out the gate on the flow, yo shit. That nigga with the shotty with the logo. Kid said my niggas don't dance. It's full of up in the air. Said, you know what? Go away. You know what I mean?
What?
Lean back. Lean back. Come on. I said my niggas don't dance. It's full of up in the air. Said, do the rock way. You know what I mean? Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Come on.
Hard to the easy, into the wizard, my arms stay breezy, the dawn stay cause I got dated, need I'm in the 740 cause I'm not just for the bike, so I can ride till I die with a matching jacket, about to cop me a mansion, my niggas in the club, you know they not dancing. Same thing, dancing, we don't pay admission in the houses, don't check it. Walk around the middle of Texas, and if you gain a need for a VIP session in the middle for the dance floor, reckless check steady.
All right. What?
The protocol change the gaps. Money ain't a thing, nigga. We still the same niggas. Folks just change everybody change the place.
Don't dance. Come up in the air.
Hey.
Do the rock way.
Lean back. Lean back. Lean back.
Lean back. Come on. I said my niggas don't dance. It's full of up in the air. Do the rock way. You know what I mean? Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Come on. We living better now, coochie sweating now, when that you walk the block, any better now. See, niggas get tight when you work, middle, you smile, sort the chinchilla hurt, middle is to find your crack it all type of shit.
All right.
Front water, all the fights and shit.
We're moving.
If I want young, when we drive these squares, got the rappers that blow like Derek for real. If you cross the line, dead right, I'm going, rushing these fat niggas, even making signs commercial, even Lil Bad when I'm throwing it up. Walking like that's something. They keep telling me to speak about the fucker. I don't want to speak about the fucker. Never repeat the Kirk could imagine this. My niggas sitting there playing with the chips. Niggas don't dance. Pull up in the hands and do the rock away. You know what I mean? Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Niggas don't dance. Niggas pull up in the hands and do the rock away. You know what I mean? Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Let's
Skywalker.
He is one-on-one against the world. He is one-on-one against the world. He is one-on-one against the world.
Right. Guys, securing a profit, we are look for re-enter back the trade. Right, Mr. Wagal and John Shop here, so. Right, securing a profit, guys, securing a profit. We're looking to re-enter back this trade. Right, we are waiting for a break and close right here. And then we are looking for re-enter. So securing a profit, guys. And drop how much on the close out buy. All right, so we're going in a John Shop here, so now. So we need back a break and close above this to re-enter back the trade. A whole 75 on this one. So we're not trading Vix right now, darling. We're trading futures. We're trading with the big boys over here. You understand? Yeah. Call out Vix trade long time. We are trading with big boys over here, some dear. You close out 117, nice. Anybody else watching the close out buy? Get ready. We're looking to re-enter back NQ or MNQ for the buy. So get ready. Yeah, we call out Vix trades long time. We are trade futures over here. 1,110. Sorry, 1,100 here. Yeah, 1,110. Jesus Christ. All right. Anybody else close out? Anybody else close out? In profit? Anybody else? Me I go and hold mine a little bit. All right, 900. Okay, not bad. All right. All right. Anybody else did take the trade? Anybody else? Anybody else? People over here make money. People over make. Them say me a scam about people over here make money. I don't know if scammer can help people make money. You understand? You know what say? You know say I saw. I don't know if most of you guys know the woman from America named Coach Starmy. No might have seen one little thing I go on with her the other day. She go viral. She go viral over Instagram. When I suppose I know her. As she fear video did go viral a couple years ago when she said the girl played a low vibration. I'm not supposed to know that. Remember that video there? Yes, she see one. So she now get drawn up by FTC, right? So you know when you're in network marketing, when you're doing network marketing, I don't do network marketing. I work for myself. So when you're doing network marketing and them something there, but even with trading, I see them thing too. You cannot say certain things for entice people for come in. So you know, like when somebody come to me and say, Kim, I want to come in and do trading, how much money me can make. I am not allowed to tell people how much money them can come in and make. It's based off of you and your work ethic. So she get in a trouble for that. Even though she never say it out loud, but you know, people they will use it and tell it turning out for them own way. So FTC slap her with a lawsuit, yes, and based off of what she said on her social media. So she could help people make millions. Me not help nobody make no damn millions. Not in a US dollars, in a Jamaican, yes. But I'm still not allowed to tell people them something there. Cause everybody dog and puss and rat and cat and sat and the same thing. My work ethic is different from phone work ethic. You don't notice me hardly sleep? Me hardly sleep on my bed. Couple hours me sleep and me jump up back again. Me not like sleep for long. You understand? Me come in this market and pretend so me have no money. And so me trade. So because of that now then stop her with what FTC lawsuit. They're saying based off how she word her words, it get her in a trouble. So that's why when I come on social media, I promote myself. I do not tell nobody, but no, oh, you can come in and make millions. Millions me foot. Cause someone no lazy. So when you do come in now, you not come in with the expectation for coming and make money. And also this thing work. And also trading work. Cause when you go on a job, you cannot go tell on a job say, oh, I want to make millions. Or I want to make thousands in a one day. So why you not come over trading with the same aspect? No, darling, you not come over with this cloth. So because of that now, she in a problem, there's it gets started out. But you understand? It still go viral past social media. So let me just explain this to everybody. Trading is not a get-rich scheme thing. Network marketing is not a get-rich scheme thing. You understand? Me can't go promise nobody no damn millions. I mean, I make millions in a US dollar myself. Me I make thousands, right? But every day I get up and flip $177 to 21,000. Yeah, son. Me make them kind of money there. Me ease out of the market a little bit and focus on helping people making money. You cannot do what me I do. Me is two different. Yeah, son. Me and you is two different somebody. So because me turn 177 into 21,000, means that you can come in and do the same. You can come in and make less. You can come in and make more. That's the rule of trading. Yeah, son. You can come in and make more. Yes, and or you can come in and make less. You can come in one day and blow your account. You can come in and pass your account and make more money than even me. I saw trading work. I cannot promise nobody no Rolls Royce, no house, no car, no land, nothing like that. You have to know when you come in, all you have to do, follow instructions. Yes, son? So that get her in a trouble. And because she said that, she could help 63 persons become a millionaire. And them there's something they fly up with the people head now and they can report the woman. Black woman, you know? And nobody now tell me. Say I know, say I know other black people, other black persons can report her. Cause me in the black community, she there on. Nobody now tell me say she and no black people can report her to the FTC. Trading is a universal thing. I didn't have to go to school to learn trading. Yeah, son. I was in a previous company, right? Me learn one or two things over there, so, and then I paid somebody with more knowledge than me that's been trading for well over 30 odd years, well know what going in the market, how the market move, and how to check the news and them something there. I paid for information. I paid to learn how to mark up my chart. But because you see them people you know, oh, she said she a trader, she a charge people. Oh, so no, me a Ali Button. No look on my face good. Me look like Ali Button too, no? Oh, no one pay. Oh, watch ya. So them have it for say now, right? And the money what we are get from the subscription, remember now for Vix, at 10,000 Jamaican dollar me charge for Vix class, for Vix signals. And if you want to do the signal plus the chart markup, $100 US. Right? Right, guys, get into NQ or get back into MNQ for the buy. Right? For the futures, I did have it at 200 and I cap it down to 150. But I know that. When you see black people are try to do something, you always want to try to fight it. If you don't have the money to friggin' pay, you don't friggin' pay. Yeah, son? Oh, we can't go up on YouTube, go learn it. Go on, see the road there. Go on with the road that's can't ding dong. Oh, is the subscription money she used to trade. And my time. You know for what time we deploy so we deploy here from 2. Well, I come on a little bit early, but we start my session at 2:30. It's now 16:10, which is 4:10 p.m. in the UK. This is what I do from home. Me not do anything, me not work for nobody else outside. So me not must charge for my time. No. No, me not for charge for my time. Also, when you go to university and go to college, you don't pay. England are the only place, the only country, nobody else in the country. England are the only place where you can go to school for free. If you're international students, you have to pay. If you're a resident over here, which means if you have a red book, you do not pay for school at England. From basic school, go straight up to university, you don't have to pay. So if you're an international student and coming in, you have to pay. So when you go to school, when you're there at Jamaica, which part, if you don't pay, who you think I could teach you? Or the teacher they will get paid. But what kind of nonsense pan this here? Lower vibration, lower mentality. And that's black people mentality. And that's why none of them can make no money. This is why a lot of them cannot make no money. Because them have it in the back of them head say everything should be free. Morning. Everything in life cannot be free. They say anything free not too good. Thanks to the heart me, them say anything we're free in life is not good. You can't then now a free signal group and then just drop whatever they feel like for dropping the gang you and make you lose your money. Yeah, son? That's what they can do. You're in our group and them just drop in any old signal in there and say buy this and buy that and sell this and sell that and don't lose no money. You understand? So I don't understand why people have a issue with me charging people out to trade or giving people signals. You understand? There's nothing wrong with that. People are pay for the knowledge. People are pay because they don't have the time for go up on the chart, for go mark up chart themselves. And furthermore, for you to come in, go learn of a markup chart, it takes time. And not something where you come in today and learn of a markup chart today, you learn one day. At 3 months, me still in America for the Trump nearly deport me for America. I couldn't go back. 3 months. And not because me catch on to things quick. A lot of persons out there, they're not as quick as me and they don't have the time and as me. When listen, when I hear ya, quiet. No picking in the my foot and no man over there so I say, come over the live and go cook my food. Quiet. I like peace. Ooh, peace. That's how I can learn things quick. So if somebody come up here, so come tell me something one time, like the guy will come up on the live the other day, come tell me about the DeFi, quick or fast, because research about it, I learn about it already. And start getting to DeFi trading. The more distraction you have, and the less money you make. And you don't make none at all because you're full of distraction. You understand? Yeah, man, you still in there, Jamie? Me just secure profit. We can re-enter. Okay, you secure your profit already. How much you make? You understand? So with me now, yes, you can re-enter. So for me now, when I do come over here, 600, nice, nice. Yeah, son, the fact that happened to me already and blow me account. Yes, because you have some of these people out there was claims that them have signal group. Yeah, son, you make 1,000, nice. You can re-enter back NQ. You have a lot of persons out there. Yes, you can re-enter Jamie and Kim. You have a lot of persons out there. Yes, son, them claim said they were signal provider and them do foolishness. They will make the people them deliberately lose them account for them keep paying the money every month. Look here, on no rampant me around here, and I can be busted up around here so. You have people out there, some of these so-called traders out there, right, with selling no signal are telling us to pay $200 and come in them signal group and them call out beer losing trade. And when we lose the account them and losing the money for the whole month. Yes, and the subscription still active, but you don't have no more money to put back in the account until you get paid again. That if you don't work. I know this game. October come at 7 years me a trade. So I know them something yeah. You see, after me left I am Academy, I did not join no more. A lie. I did join one next company what they call Read Rise at the time, Read Rise Academy. After that, me did in about 3 months. After that, me say me I do my own thing. Because me see what them, me see style. Me did see style already. Me did see style. And I never know M style. Nor Q. Yeah, son? Me no like when my derivative empty. Listen. Right? So I don't know. I can't fathom. Yeah, son, why people think, oh, she must charge. Or hear them now. Oh, she make money, so why she charge people? No, why you work? Right. Everybody re-enter back the trade, guys. Everybody re-enter back NQ and MNQ. Me can't understand them at all. Right? So I'm supposed to just sit down for the whole 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours for free. And my time I'm gonna use to do something else. Yeah, son? Of course, me not charge no one. Look here. Look here. Me not charge no trailer load of money. You know what I see trailer load of money? Go up on Instagram. And I want you guys to go and search for this guy named Ian from Earn Your Leisure. Go to the link in my bio. Him live America. Go to film link in my bio, right? And it's always look black people. Hello, I don't want class. Nobody today, you know. It's all with black butter, so me I say it. It's always the black people, them, especially dirty Jamaican. Sorry for saying it like this, people, but I true. We're not gonna agree to disagree. It's always the black people, them, and the same little dirty Jamaicans, them, and them always cause them something here. That's why some of you cannot reach no way in a life. That's why you go at embassy at 20 times and get turned on 20 times. Because you're full of bad mind and jealousy. And it's just the truth. It's always the same Jamaicans them. If you can't do something, you just own up to it and say, I don't know if you do this, I don't know if you do that, and ask for help. But somehow you act like say, shit can't make patty. Look here, man. You act like say, shit can't make patty. She act like she this and she act like, yeah, me act like how me act, me sit down in my house and make money. Me no come on TikTok a beg. Me is not a beggar. Me is a trader. You understand? So me supposed to act or me act on this. When me did I work in the hospital and I bust off me body. You understand? And I clean shit. And I give injection and they on me for 12 hours. Nobody never did it. Look here, man. Nobody else was there. So when me start make money now over here, so, oh, she go on like she this. Oh, me not see her in no name brand. And that's why I not make no money either. Because money you no get from man and woman and this array. You no use it to put in a name brand and invest in a name brand. Name brand want to wear one time and fi take it and dash away. Yeah, son? And me wear the clothes and the clothes wear me. So me go to Zara, Boo, Shein, Timo, wherever and buy clothes and me put it on. Me no care if me look good or not. Me never come on TikTok or ask no if me look good. My bank account look good. Having 2 taxi on the road look good. Having a coaster what that I'm about to buy, I can look good on the road at Jamaica. Having my own place at Jamaica is look good. What some of them have to? You want to tell me Ron answer now? Mama talk today, come here talk today. Eh? Some of them will live a foreign right now. Me I tell you say, if Trump decide to take them up, so I hold them by them head and dash them in a Jamaica, so and them drop, they don't have nothing for drop on. Them don't even have a fall cube. For go share the fall cube. Put the fall them over one side and them sleep on the next side. Them don't even have a fall cube at Jamaica. But I mean them sit down and worry about. That's very nice. Yeah, son? Not if fall cube they don't have. Yeah, son, the amount of them where England send down. And the people, and land them a go down they go fight for. Land. Them have to go down there to fight for land because they can't even afford them. They're England and then they're America and then they're Canada and then waste them time. Yeah, son? Them waste them time. The first money when me work out of the market, I want vaccine me go down go buy. Yeah, son, at first me I thought this over here so. I 2 vaccine me have on the road. On 2 different routes at Jamaica. When the taxi driver them make the money, them lodge it in my account at Jamaica. When you think somebody just making money, I take it out dash and do foolishness. I call you know, see me wise up from 2 years ago. Because I realize that the people them on TikTok are grateful. So rather than make my money come take it on dash out on people on TikTok, guess what came though? Oh, invest it over here. Invest it in the market or invest it in myself. So when I'm ready for pack up and go back to Jamaica, me have money still a come in, taxi the road. Me still have money a come in on my account. Even if me stop trade right now, me is alright. What the hell? If me stop trade right now, me alright. Me have taxi we are bringing money. Taxis are bringing money. What some of them have? Besides the on TikTok, I beg down the whole place. Allow me diss them over here now. I will diss them over here. Oh. Right. Everybody's supposed to be in a profit, guys. We are rather whistle and attack at the same time. Exactly. Yes, son. Me not have no time for the foolishness. Them things I'm come over here so for come sit down on TikTok and beg. Me not have no time for it. The time when me have to come sit down on TikTok and beg, me come in on the market and me make triple what them people here make. Me make triple what them people here make on TikTok. And remember, so when we withdraw the money, we get all of it, you know. Even if a 90% we get, if you trade Vix 100% you get. If you trade futures 90% you get. Me know say 90% are mine. And 100% out of Vix is mine. When them beg over here, so them only get 50%. God bless if I 50%, they probably have 45% them get. 45%. I use funding next if you're in Jamaica. 45% them have to sit down and beg on TikTok. Some of them on TikTok from 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the bloody evening and 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock at night time. Me don't even do that. After me come off of here, so me still in a trade. Me still a make money. What the hell? Me come on TikTok for promote business. TikTok is a promoting platform. So if me not promote my business, you think some people could just get up and promote my business for me? Oh no. You think them bad man over here so like what? and two-face. They will come over here to come laugh with you, and they behind your back a chat you. And then the people them a come back, they're so corrupt over here, so. The people that when them a chat me with a come back and tell me. And me, so when me know me good at pretending. You understand? You see when people that chat me and them come back and tell me still laugh up with the people them and know make them wiser. Ah, yeah. Me still, hello, me sit down and laugh with them, see me, and them don't know say, me know say them sit down over here and chat me. Yeah, man. And so me get to work. Cause guess what? No girl nor no boy pan this no put on my pot of England. Now anywhere me day. Me can get up and me can grab my suitcase. Right now my suitcase to pack over there so I get ready for travel. Me can get up and go anytime I want. Me not have no restriction. I'm a dual citizenship. You understand? I have dual citizenship over here, so. Me can go anywhere in the world with my England passport, and me can go anywhere in the Caribbean with my Jamaican passport. I in the world, because Jamaica passport, you can go 185 countries with the Jamaica passport. So the one that they could dry head at that's with them with their Jamaica, we can't go nowhere and sit down on the app yes, chat me. Oh, she's a scammer. Oh, she did this. Something will come up 2 years ago. This woman a Ghana man box can't tell him and say, me is a scammer and I send him man video. Let them have nothing better to do with them broke self. I want me tell them so them but there's some rude. Cause what that call for? If they didn't understand the full story, they wouldn't depart years to attack. You understand? But it's true because me have thick skin on this. And my mouth not too nice already. Me tell them about them woman no business. Because they're not coming. They can't afford. They can't even afford the 10,000 Jamaican dollars for come do Vix. That's how bad it is. They can't even afford the 10,000 Jamaican dollars to come do Vix. Much less the 150. For do the futures. So why would I argue with a broke girl or broke boy? You tell me. Me just do one bad video and put it out. Me not have no time for argue with nobody on this. You see, this new season, new financial season, no. Me not supposed to argue with nobody on no social media. Me argue with the market. NQ go up, NQ go down, NQ do this, NQ argue with the market. VIX 25 one is go up, VIX 25 one is go down. Market, me argue with it. Me can't bother if you argue back and forth with nobody. No, me too big for that. Me I get too old for them to something there. True. You understand? Yeah, somebody said on YouTube, say at the end of the day, when you do it for free, they take it for granted for true. They do. Listen, you know how much free group me create and delete? You know how much free group I've had in the past and delete them? Let me do one Zoom right now. Right now, 188 people in our free group. Maybe do one free Zoom right now and tell everybody to jump on. God bless. If you see 15 people come on it. Me so delete it. Wait. Me so delete it. Yeah, man. By the end of the month, I delete. God know. By the end of the month, me delete the free group and start again. I'll tell people, say, look, if you no serious, don't come in here. I saw me get to work. Me head would get up one day and just chip. Yeah, son? I said, guys, this group is no longer available. Me go restart the group and take out all of the, make sense? Me take out all of the people them because, yeah, son? Delete it and create one fresh group. I saw me get to work. So if me need have thin skin bandits, let me tell you something again. You say me need have thin skin for two. 2 years ago, when me take a break off of the app, me not come back. Me sit down in my yard and trade by myself and I help nobody else. I see them dirty Jamaicans, them bring me down, and them same one I try to come back in the group them. Them same one. I send me DM. Oh, are you doing account management again? I'ma just tell them one SYM. Yeah, man. They message me on TikTok or on Instagram. Oh, you start back trading? Me say no. Because I don't know if you're blind. Oh, you're going to do account management again? Me say no. For what? No, uno same one report the bank account. And I go ask me for money. Me say uno come trade it back. Yeah, come and trade back the money. The money want to claim say, yeah, son, me thief, uno come trade it back. All me have to do is, all I have to do is put in one money in an account. Yeah, son. At least couple people they come back, come make back their money. The rest of the people them come trade back on the money. Put back one money in your account and come trade it back. As simple as that. Because if them never mess up from day one, up to the day, the account management will still go on. Honestly, what I can do? The other day, I turned 177 to 21,000. Here's somebody coming on my Telegram. Yes, and in my Telegram message. Oh, I see that you're making money. Can't you just refund me back? I say, out of what? Yeah, the good of it suffer for the bad, so it go. Only same one report the account. Guys, that time they don't know what's saying now. This girl with the on TikTok here, we claims that she a fraud analysis. She in the group encourage the people them to sign treaty. They must work with Trump. Them now I signed treaty with the girl named JLE. I want to find out tell about her clock, but we can't bother. Yeah, son? Leave her alone, I leave her at the time. She now in the group I tell the people them, I cook up with the people them. Oh, sign this paper. So, all of you guys make up and sign the paper and go to Moco. Where the place name at that Jamaica where the fraud place them at Mocha. That time I did there Jamaica now for 6 whole months. Come there say if Mocha come for me for true. Come never commit a crime. You see now regular tape yourself? The people them sign the paper. Carry go Mocha. Mocha say she never thief no money. I only winning is sending money could give her. So how is it a crime? How is it a scam? Me have somebody in the group. You see, when God, me say, oh God bless no man curse. Me have somebody in the group. We are telling me all of them something here. I deliberately stayed in Jamaica for 6 months because I want to see if Mocha did come a yard for true. Right a man devil them sit down and see if Mocha did come there for true. Yeah, man. By the time I did it, the person reached out to me and said, Kim, you did it fret up yourself. I need a fret now. I need a fret because I sit up on the veranda and drink my Cersei and then I'm bowl and beer and mango. And that's how I sit down with a cup of tea a morning time. I look out and wait for Mocha come. With a bit of Cersei. I wait for Mocha to come here so. I know Mocha can reach. But they have Jamaica for 6 whole months. And last year, February, I come back. 6 whole months, I'm Cersei every morning. Every morning, I get up and go to the work. I sit down and wait for Mocha. I go down at the gate and look so. And I look up the road and I look down the road. I look for police. I know police and Mocha can reach. Every morning. Yeah, man. Not a Mocha. Yeah, son? Not a Mocha. After the people them go report the account, NCB lock down the account with the money them in there. And them want to ask, I can tell me say, me thief the money. Then hear them now. Oh, she used the money, man. She used the money buy car. The amount of money with in there, it could have buy all of those things are still left in the account. She use the money do this and go expensive places. She use the money travel only Jamaica. Me going in the short time so only Jamaica. Or she go expensive hotel. Even if that was the case, the money still wouldn't done. Right now, me I tell you, for 2 years ago, NCB a laugh with that the money that in there. What me say? Laugh out loud with the money in there. You see, before me go Jamaica the year in August, before me go the end of July, before me reach Jamaica, I turned $500 to 21,000 in a trading. And a straight in a NCB go. That the money they gone like a summer mouth. The 1.8 million. 1.8 million gone. Plus the how much million with it in there gone, disappear. And when we go at NCB give me the people them name we report the account. We reach out to them and them say, Jesus, I cannot, you can't know. The woman say, for she ring back NCB, me need to pay her out of my pocket. Me say, out of which pocket? Me say, you some more crack. Me say, look here, lady. If me if pay you out of my pocket, that means I have to go pay the rest of the people that out of my pocket. You understand? So me drop a message in the group and make everybody know what was going on. Me say, if you don't want no money, you can find a woman here. See her name here. Me don't know which part she live the. Me say go find her and go ask her for the money. Because she made the first report to NCB. Because the bank told me who reported the account. Is by law, them tell us, say, but Jamaica system so backward, them can't just, me don't know how them just get up and just lock down and just freeze some of the accounts. So, and England don't say work. Them have to do them investigation first before them can even say them lock down your accounts. But Jamaica difference in a third world country still. Hi, Mary. So me I say, okay, watch ya. So the woman say, must give her the money out of my pocket. So me say, if me give her the money out of my pocket, me have to give the rest of the people them money out of my pocket too. I say, hey, the market where me going now with my own money I go flip. We must take it come back and give you. So that was her little tactics now for try to get back the money. So when me give her the money now, because she think me an idiot in my barn yesterday. She think when me give her the money now, when I give her that $1,000 now, she know I could block me and nobody call the bank. Oh, so if you not get it back, nobody else not get it back. Then when I come farmline out at NCB, a Kansas Spring Road. Then them go again. After the whole thing, them go for one spot media. Them try bring me down over there, so. Then the man come and interview the chat foolishes, rated the devil knows all. Oh, it's a panty scheme you're running. Me say, do you know anything about trading? In the chat, oh, did you go to university? Me say, what kind of idiot this year? Me say, ever yes, nobody go to university for learn of a trade? And no, yes. No, Oxford University I charge almost $5,000 for teach algorithmic trading. But before, nobody need to go to school. You have academies where you learn from. I say the people them fooling Jamaica, you see. By the time I did the tutus. I say, all right then, you know what? After the whole calaboo, I just take a break. I need to trade, I need to do, yes, and all them session here and them something, I need to do nothing like that. I just, yes, and take a little break off of the media. You see, when I take a break off of the media, I have one drone page, them call it drone page, a backup page. When nobody know say I'm media behind the page, I did a scroll up on the media. I scroll. You see, from ranker to shoot at everybody in a box of chat. Like a chicken. You know when you call chicken in Jamaica? For can. And everyone come for the can. And so I sit down and I start block everybody. If you're looking at me, something right now, I know follow a lot of people, especially some of the two back face people them. I sit down and I unfollow the whole of them. One person on the app, yeah. Me can say have my back on a world dog. Me not busy when nobody wants to say about him. Yeah, the amount of time they say me a world dog, me dear. Me say, once somebody on the app here did have my back, world dog. Yeah, son? World dog, the guy them shooter when him Rico, yeah, son, and White Boss, them three there. Yeah, if me have me soul all and hell, me shoot it out for them. You see how the girl them sit down then chat. Oh, she never come over here and give me one vault before. Oh, this, or that, or Rayante and Kavi. Kavi never mentioned nothing about the whole situation. And Kavi used to support me, I used to support Kavi. I was a share alone out of the whole of the rank of them. Yeah, son, no dip up in a it. The rest of them, I block her and follow the whole of them. Yeah. Just for coins. Hear them. Oh, she never called send me a lion before. Oh, she never sent me one of the vault. Oh, she never sent me this. Oh, she never sent me that. That's, look here. I don't want to talk things by here now. And I succumb. So you know what? Let me leave these people alone and stick to my trading. And now me come back on the app. Oh, Kim broke. Oh, Kim this. Oh, me know those broke people can't travel. Why? Me say me, you know, so me gonna write a book? Yeah, man, we need to write a book about this. Yeah. Oh, yes, guys, I do have books on Amazon. Me have a book on Amazon now. It's called Trading in the Recession. And me have one book by Lulu called My Trading Journey. Me need to update the book there. And add it along. Because along the way, me they start out with forex first and then me branch out over to Vix and then over to futures. Yeah, me need to update the book. Where do I trade futures and alpha futures? If you come on my YouTube, you will get the link. I don't have the link in my bio. Yeah, man, me get the full. Let me say, after all of that, when everything goes out, oh she a scammer, oh she a this, oh she a that, but I'm still here. Me not get locked up yet. Oh, here's some of them. Oh, police don't just come for you one time, so. You so quick they find a woman from Canada? Me not hard to find. You so quick they find she? Me not hard to find. Cause me never go in a nobody account. Me never use federal funds, nor British funds. Me never use company money. I know nothing. And people never understand about investment. They hear about account management and they hear about quick money. And I don't mean that promote it as no quick money. I said to everybody in the life, I say, guys, trading is risky. The volatility pairs that when me trade, they are risky. Year before last, 2 years ago, 30K me lose out of the market because of foolishness. 30K. That was 30K out of the people, their money. That are 30 people. Everybody get one contract. Them sign the contract up at the top in a bold writing. It say, just in case of market liquidation, it look like they never understand the word them on it. Just in case of market liquidation, Kim, which is me, is not to be held responsible. We need to have the Vix Queen Academy up there. So just in case of liquidation, I am not to be held responsible for your loss. And that is say now. Me dear, the people must say, oh, the contract not valid. Oh, it's not this. Oh, it's not that. I said I don't give a frig wait though. When you get the contract and you sign it, that means you didn't understand what was on it. I look like they didn't read what upon the contract me there. They say me scam them. It's okay. I said go. See Coach Star me there as big as all she's a multi-millionaire market in a network market and them call her scammer. I said go. And if it, you know what me need to do? I need to capitalize off of this scamming thing. Yeah man. As I put up at the top and I say, come scam with me. Yeah man. Mm. Come and scam with me in the markets. Aye. Come here, come make a flyer. Guys, when you still in an NQ, come. We are marketing. Come over here, so over here, so keep. Come over here, so. Right. May I go over Uncle Chat here, so. Create me a flyer saying, come, watch I know. Thank you. Come scam with me in the markets. We are in the VIX and futures market. Come here. Yes. No, I have to put VIX. One on it. We can just come scam with me in the markets. One on in the markets. And then may I go say add my picture. All right, I'm putting my picture here. So wait then now. Should you close? If you're in profit, you can secure profit. And then we look for re-enter. While we there, so chat me. That's how we can go and ride our whistle at the same time. Right, so we're going to wait for your next re-entry, guys. If you're in profit, you can secure profit, but if you're not in profit yet, hold it a little bit more. Wait the first. Thanks for the heart, me, Trav Dan. Wait the man. I soon get to owner one, so I'm going to make you fly and me, I can put it up right now. Right, what with it now? Come scam with me. Give me one next heading, guys. Come scam with me in the markets. That means we're trading more than one market. All right. Daily. Let's put daily. All right. Right. So we can put daily this out, that. All right. Press enter. Yeah. So you see, because me put this out now, marketing genius, yeah. Them now not for that. Let me tell you something. There's nothing on this app where people can say forget underneath my skin. Yes, son, because I'm used to TikTok, I'm used to people over here. So you understand? Me used to them over here. So there's nothing on TikTok where nobody can say to me what can make me feel bad. Cause just like how them can't talk, me can't talk to. Cause me not run to tell people about them mama. Whether them dead or alive, me no business. Right. Yes. So if it's too much in profit, yes, you can close out. Princess. What them say now? Yeah. We're gonna wait until we get a re-entry, guys. Don't lose back on the profit in that go. Don't lose back on the profit. All right. Wait there, wait there. Them say them can't use that there, so. So I put that there, so. Aye. It's creating image. Yeah. Mia uno. Mhm, mhm, mhm. All right, all right. Right. So everybody out of the trade, guys. Everybody out. Everybody's still in. We are waiting for a re-entry back above the red box, guys. All right, let me put this then. Because them are some I can't use already, I'm there. Right, so put that. And put that's all. All right, we try this. When I want marketing, I shall give you no marketing on your so. Yeah, man. When I work for marketing, where I shall give you no marketing on you. No, me. As 6 October coming, as 7 years me a trade. You think me I make no look good broke pocket girl, no broke pocket boy, come over here so come crap my style, no favor fool. Watch ya. And if I do my eyebrow, no alright. About foolishness. Who for me so? Alright, what's what one? Right, so we are wait for your break and close above NQ, guys. For those persons who are asking me about futures, I did post a flyer on my page. You will see the price on there and what you're paying for. The money what you see up at the top, that's not the actual money you're paying in my bio, guys. You're paying the 150 in my bio, but you're paying for the rest of the things them on the website. You understand? On the platform website. So you pay 150 for coming to my class. You understand? For company sessions them. Pass the account and then get the live account. Then once you pass the live account, you get weekly payout after that. As long as you don't blow the account. This is just a disclaimer. If you are trade VIX or futures or forex or whatever you want to trade, right? It is not guaranteed. Past profits do not guarantee future success, okay? I thank you now. Because I don't want nobody to say, oh, Kim said me I come in, come make 15,000. Kim said me I come in, come make 10,000. Kim said me I come, me know no good at that. Nonsense. Absolutely rubbish. A phone style that. Kim said this and Kim said that. I well, when we were saying nothing. Nonsense.
Imagine smoking weed in the street without cops harassing. Imagine going to court with no track. Lifestyle proven people behind the waters. No welfare supporters. More conscious of the way things are doing. Days is shorter, nights are colder. Feeling like life is over. These snakes strike like the cobra. Still girl hot, my son got knocked. Evidently, it's elementary. They want to solve all the picture. Keeping out of state for a plate. Now the coke was put without the dollars. We don't have the top dollars. Imagine everybody flashing. Fashion designer clothes. Lacing and break up with diamond gold.
Yes, all school Thursdays.
Covers. Disappointment.
Ah.
Take a glimpse at the crowd. Watch the black the world is mine. Imagine that.
See what else I go out for. So, ooh, oil up push up, guys. Oil up push up. Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Sister Two Shoes, come look here. Let me stop and look if it's a buy there now. My God. Oil up push up. Been sitting down here for morning, not watch that. All right, if you get the break and close, you can enter the buy there, so. So you see how so it's doing the same thing as last night. So you see how NQ is pushing down and MCL is pushing back up. I same thing it did last night, you know. So this big move what happened last night, what we catch last night, this was a liquidity grabber. Yeah, son. So nothing more than Trump said something over there, and then put in couple billion in the market, spike up the market up to $97 and bring it back down. That's what happened last night. Cause that spike, I don't know normal spike. That spike right there, so is no normal spike. And when it drop back down, it's been playing in the spike. Yeah, son, it hasn't been back up here since then. So you see, when NQ are pushed down, oil are pushed back up. When oil are pushed down, NQ are pushed up. We find out a little story last night. Story of Balarori. We can't bother. Boy. Mr. Watch out. But MGC now going with nothing wrong here. So what kind of nonsense this year? Sure. We're not going with nothing. Wait there. Let me try this again. Still waiting the flyer. I'm still waiting the flyer. If we get the break and close above this, guys, we get into MCL for the buy. We are going to watch it in the meantime. Right, everybody on and everybody out of NQ, guys. Everybody out. Oh, Novia, you on here? Is Novia on here? Did you get to rebuy the account, Novia? Not yet. Okay. I believe you can. I don't know if it does allow you to use back the code, the same code, but you can try again. I'll see if it allows you to use back the code. Or if you click on, once you go back in, you're gonna click on reset, and then it's gonna reset back your account back to 100K. Yeah. All right, well, we look a bit first, guys. I'll see what go on. Now me there talk to Novia Kenisha. When this year come back down here, so or you can only use the code once area. We will reach out back to them. Because I believe some of them content creator, them can use the code more than once. That's rubbish. Absolutely rubbish right there. All right, so yeah, bring this down here, so. Yeah, so quickly come back down here, so guys. My dear. Yeah, that's what me I say. Them some of them they allow them to use the code them more than once. So me I can reach out to them. All right, guys, get ready for re-enter back NQ for the buy. All right, we need this for push up right here, so we have 44 seconds left. So I go on. Actually, let me drop to the 15 seconds time frame. What time? Almost 5 o'clock. All right. All right, guys, you can enter NQ or MNQ for the buy. All right, so NQ or MNQ for the buy, guys. Enter quick, guys. Enter quick before you push back up. Guys, don't forget that I'm over by YouTube. I can't share my screen over here, so guys. So now if you come over YouTube. Right, everybody in the chat, guys, everybody in? Yeah, my video gone viral around and so. Right, did the Renaissance original. Me kaka. In the Renaissance original. So everybody will use the sound, them use it based off of me, off of my video. Me kaka come look here. 22 likes, 3 saves. Watch here. But me step up in the life of a picture. 5 shares, 2,800 views. My dear. We're not going too bad run as a people. Right, so me soon come off, guys. It's almost dinner time.
That's that brand new bro in the drop best sex. Food hall like the top bag. On the in the bank, man, you know stuff.
Everybody start ball out already. The help. Why? Cannot. Everybody start ball out already for help. I said, please help me, please help me. Don't do this to me, don't do this to me. This is what this a trader got along with yourself.
Friends up. Don't leave my friends out. Don't be there. Three ways. There's 2 ways. There's calls on a 2-way. You'll be ready. It's like control these things on the mic. What in the lights are. You can control that stuff.
Yeah, you can use that code. But my code only one time you can use it, but me I could talk to Alpha Futures and say me can get the code for the person's reuse. You want to say NQ now go on to wonderful run your son? Oh yeah. Yeah, and Alpha Novia. Right, guys. If this not push back up, close out until later on, guys. Remember, say this the pan recording, you know? We have to edit it out. All right, we're going to watch this, guys. MC do be announcing. You know, so from Sunday, from we catch a piece of movie, yeah? Right? I know we're gonna catch one piece of movie, right? To say, you know, from Sunday night. A Sunday night or Tuesday this year? No, man. A Tuesday night this. That show a Tuesday. We did catch a piece of movie here. Come down. Do one big impulsive move last night. Yeah, last night. Come back down. Did they play about, cancel it the whole time. Set up back yourself. So I just see this from earlier. We're gonna get into this one piece of buy, you know. Get in on a second candle here and take it up. The stuff for the buy. Because by the time I call it out for the buy, I just get the break and close right here. So, yeah, son, and it's been sitting so for the whole time. It's been sitting down here since we come on. What can go so in a John shop? BTC run us up, push like a Van Dam. Watch ya. We can't call it out in the free group. Need a break and close this door. You just have buy a galang so you almost reach back at 79,000, my dear. When a nice double pattern on your so. Create one nice double pattern. Come back and take up back this previous structure over here so. And I look we push back up. If you surpass back 79,000. Then we're going back in at the green. Well, we're in at the green already, so it push up some more. So if that's set up later on, we can call it out. Right. Sure. All right, guys. Look like we have a new candle plan for push up back. Right. Guys, I'm gonna jump off, I'm gonna eat some food. If anything, if you guys can't afford to stay in and you want to stay in, when you go back in your profit to close out, if you can't afford to stay in, better you secure your account and then your son will tackle it back. Let me see what I'm going to do. So, let me see, look, a bit of buyers are coming up now, guys. Yeah, guys, go and hold it a little bit. Yeah, and have to watch it, guys. I see what I'm going. So, I am coming back on later on, guys, for Asian session. Asian session, we are coming back at 11:30. Not 11:30, sorry, 11:15. Because remember, see the market open a little bit earlier back again. So we are coming back on 11:15 UK time, which is 7 or 8 o'clock USA time and Jamaica time. Yes, and we'll keep an eye out for when we are going to be on, all right? In the mighty name of Jesus, amen. Right, it'll push back up, guys. I check on my trade when I saw. I gotta eat some food. I'm hungry. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Hungry is not even the word of Jesus. Right. If you guys need any help, let me know in the chat. Yeah, but we have little tips of buyers that try to push up at the price. But yeah, go and watch it in the meantime, guys. If anything, like me say, save on your account. Yeah, son Ding Dang did have one song say, save yourself. Mm-hmm. Yeah, better you save the account, and then if anything, we can always re-enter back later on with NQ. But you can go and watch it. Me I go watch it in the meantime, you know. If me see it pass back the blue line, then and you guys are still in, then you understand? We can stay in. You understand? If it doesn't, do you tick both? Hold on. Yeah, you tick both, yes. So guys, don't remember, even though it says, the money per month or the rebuild date, they only put that for CMC guidelines. You understand? That for sure you said that the platform is regulated. You understand? And not unregulated. So they just put that there for the CMC rule. Watch it, something I'll push up here so. So even though they put the bill in there, once you pass the account, you do not pay any, you don't pay again, guys. Once you pass this account, you don't pay for it monthly. The only thing you pay for the advance plan is the activation fee run at this side. You understand? Yes, for the advance plan run here. So for those who are trading on one step, for those who are trading on for those who are trading on top step, when you do buy the account, you can choose to pay for the activation fee, or you can get an account without the activation fee. So the money would add up to what you pay on the alpha. For those who are trading on for the next, you guys don't pay any activation fee. The only thing with over this now, them have the amount of cap pay out like alpha futures. You understand? But you cannot buy the account already and one and get back in an NQ like with a push up. Yeah, son, when it comes down to trading now, guys, yes, you can break a little bit, but you guys not trade like oh me a trade long enough, you could take break. Yeah, son, remember say you want to pass the account, you see opportunity, you take it and run. So what you can say is breeze off it now and come back on later on. No weekend, tomorrow Friday. Yeah, son, you want to get the account and get it back up and running ASAP. So you understand, so you can cut it down and pass it in time. You understand, before the 1 month up. Because remember, the minute you wait, the days and we are waste, you understand, by the time you start trade on it, are the days them before the next billing date reach. So like how you just blow this account and you purchase one new one, right? You're going to get a new billing date. You don't want the next billing date come and you don't pass the account here. You want to pass it ASAP. You understand? ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. That's one thing when I learn. So if you're not in NQ, you can get into NQ for the buy or MNQ. If you were in before, it's coming back up to the entry there. So when you trade, guys, if you're just starting out, there's no break. You guys have not been trading long enough to take no break, so guys. As soon as you blow account, you need to get back in ASAP if you can afford to get back in. You understand? I saw this thing work, guys. Me not take break, guys. When I come around so, if me blow an account, me buy back the account the same day and start trade on it, I ever pass it in a 1-2 day. Me not have no break. Yeah, son. True. Yes, it's good for take break, Yeah, son. But you want to get into it ASAP. Yeah, Remember now, when you buy the account, you're trying to cut down the evaluation. You understand? So as soon as you get a little opportunity, you try and cut it down, cut it down, cut it down, cut it down. You understand? That's pretty much it. You want to try to see if you can cut it down as much as you can. So you can pass it. So once you pass the account now, then you understand, even though when you're on a live account, you still trade every day, but you're not gonna trade as often as all you trade now. That's why I said to you guys, when you get the live account, stick to one trade. Even though sometimes we come on a session, not every session is going to give us an opportunity to enter. Yeah, son. Some of the sessions them you can come on, you can make money. Sometimes you come on, it's slow. Sometimes you come on. Yeah, son. I saw the market set up. We just have to work with the market condition. And shampoo. Alright, guys, my God, I'm hungry. Me chat out the whole of the hunger from this morning. Right, so keep this trade on, guys. You understand? And you guys can close out later on. I'll update you guys in the chat. And I will see everybody for Asian session later. All right, guys, later on. Toodles. So yeah, go and watch the trade, guys. And then you can close out later on. Like how you pull down already and I pull back up, the buyers then will come back in. Hi, Caesar. Caesar, you come in a Viking? One Caesar in a Viking. Me I watch one show up on Netflix named Viking. Me I tell you be a Caesar in there. With so long ago sword. Later. True. Hold on then. I love the old time movie then. Viking and them different. Yeah, me know say the inner Caesar. Me know say inner Viking. Why me a growing at the Vix side because we walk along one of John shop, yeah.